Let's see how the catfish are doing. That's bar more like little snakehead fish, and the catfish are all over that side for some reason. But open the solar pump for oxygen to the pond, some irrigation. So the man said it's good, so the fish doesn't like knock. It's like, you know, probably like the nitrogen cycle. Creates air bubbles on the water, which is good for the fish. So I'll be keeping that on a little bit more now because I haven't been doing that. I'm scared of the pond overflowing, but as I said, we've got an outlet for the pond in the back over there, so it's no problem. But the fish seem to be doing well. They survived the night, the little catfish. So we're going to build the fish trap over there, the fish nets. That'd be fun. So basically this is our flotation device. Don't know if it works, but the wife came up with this plan. I think she saw it on YouTube or something. So basically it's 4 barrels secured on a rig that we cut the tree from Uncle's house just now. It's like a eucalyptus wood, yeah, very strong, very good wood. And then we weighed it down with some bricks on each end, so hopefully it will float. However, I will give you another video of us launching this craft. Okay, hope it works. So the vessel is ready to launch. I think we call this Captain Nemo's platform. Yes, Captain Nemo's platform, which will be hosting the catfish. Okay, so we're going to launch it in a minute, and hopefully we'll give you a shot of the video of the fun we're going to have, if it's going to succeed or fail. Okay. Captain Nemo's platform. ได้ไหม I think it's gonna work. ได้ไหม หินยังไม่ลงพื้นเลยหินเบาได้เดี๋ยวหินเบาต้องเอาหินลงแม่ต้องเอาไปมัดไว้ตรงเสาหน่อยแล้วก็ได้เอาเชือกมาให้หน่อยเด้ฮะ You need a sling. String. I'm gonna tie on that.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. there's so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
You're happy with it? So this is the last modification. We put one stick here, one stick there, one stick there. And we tied everything together to be secure. We've got flotation devices there if the water rises up as well, so that's good as well. So that's the final build on the Captain Nemo platform. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and share, and leave a comment. But we have our pond full of 500 catfish there, 200 it's called bamo, like little snakehead fish there, but they're not snakehead. But anyway, we have the fish farm now in order. Solar pumps going to oxygenate the water, as we've been told by the guy who sells the fish. So it's a really good idea to add fresh water to your pond. So keeping these fish for in case of emergency. I mean, you got 500 fish. If you eat fish a day, it'd take you over a year, right? But we'll be feeding this fish regularly. So we've got some water hyacinth as well to put into the pond to make them feel more at home and have more shade. So they're less likely to escape. But probably we'll put like a cover over it as well to stop them jumping out, maybe if we have a lot in there. But these nets can hold 1,000 fish. Okay, so if you're farming fish, this size net can hold 1,000 fish, and it's better than like a cement tank, which they put thousands of fish in and they have to use pumps and everything to regulate the water. But this is all natural, so our fish is much better, superior quality when you come to eat it. So yeah, we'll be experimenting on this outcome and see how it comes out, I suppose. But you can get like fish every 3 or 4 months maybe, and it's good to prep, it's really good to prep. So if you don't have any food, you can always just come and scoop a couple of fish out to eat, right? So at the end of the day, you've got to be more self-reliant. I think I like this kind of concept, more fish farming for me, because I like fish as well. I like to fishing and everything like that. So I think I'm going to expand on this idea, maybe have another 1 or 2 keep nets to keep maybe 4,000 fish. So if you've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, you keep like 4,000 fish, yeah? Like fish farming. And it's done in a natural thing. But here's a little guy playing in the mud slide. He's sliding up and down. Sanok Mai? Woo! Kids just love it here. So anyway, that's the homestead. Nearly all done, 80 to 90% complete. So yeah, it's all good. So if you like this video, please subscribe and comment, and I'll be making another video. Yeah, please follow me on YouTube. It helps to get the subscriptions, and hopefully I'll get 1,000 soon. But anyway, Have a good Sunday.